Look, I found this in my house, behind my chair. I had a booking in here at the weekend, and so the cleaner must have left this. Anyway. Aye, Captain. Yeah, I'm sure I could have some fun with this hat. Handy for Christmas time. But listen guys, do subscribe, like, share to the videos. Take this hat off now, and well, I feel like a captain. We're speaking to the beautiful Ewelina Niezwietdz. She's a Polish actress and she's very, very nice. Oh wow! Hello! Met the lovely Evelina. Really bad for pronunciation.
Niezwietdz. Very good, very good. Almost there.
Films have you been in?
TV shows, films, and musical stage and drama stage.
What advice would you give to someone starting in the acting world?
So my advice is gonna be work hard, believe, and your dreams come true. Because this profession is no easy. It's just for the people who really have a strong ass. Remember, you need to, because you're gonna fall down so many times. Of course, if you're coming from the background, when you have someone who can help you, use that help. Definitely, if I would have that help, I would use it as well. Because you know, this world is not very fair to the end. So sometimes you need to support yourself in different ways. But if you have big passion for that profession, just do it. You need to do it like we're doing.
Exactly. We all get these feelings of, you know, disbelieving in yourself. When did you actually lose the disbelief and then start to believe in yourself? When did you push yourself so far forward to get to where you are today?
So basically, around 3 years ago, I had a moment in my life because I was working for pretty much a long time as a waitress in a restaurant to improve my language, because I came here, my English wasn't very good, so you know, I need to start from something. And that was the time when I sort of had, like, I can say that was going into some sort of weird depression or something. I have these like crying days, and I was like thinking never gonna happen. And then one day I just basically standing in front of the mirror and I said, like, Evelina, what's wrong with you? You are not this person, you're a strong person. But also my partner and my mom, they are like very, very, very much supporting me, encouraging me. So yeah, and then I'm back on track, and I said, like, it's gonna happen sooner than later.
We're moving around. Because we have to hold cameras.
Yeah,
I think it's really important to bring out your own style in acting.
It's definitely very good to base yourself, at least on someone on the beginning, but later, if you're gonna copy someone to the death, you're just gonna make like good impersonation. But you, as an actor, to being unique and get something in this industry, I think you need to find your own style. Like, for example, me on the beginning, I always want to be like a pretty one. But when I grow older, I'm more thinking about myself that I want to be characteristic actress. Because characteristic people, they are more winning, I think, in this industry, because of maybe people are not gonna remember my name to the end, but they're gonna remember how I look, and they're gonna say, yeah, I know her.
There's a lot of really brilliant actresses like Helen Mirren and all that, that's brought a lot of power into the industry from a female's perspective. But do you think it's still very much a man's world?
No, I think we're taking over. I think we're taking over. I think you know, every single year when you have like BAFTAs, or you have, you know, like silver birds in Germany, or when you have like Oscars, there is lots of female directors at the moment, and they fill the ground. They know what to bring, you know. So yeah, I think we're taking over slowly. Gentlemen, you can go and rest now. We are here.
What parts do you enjoy playing most?
So I used to really, when I was starting acting, my dream was to get the part in a horror movie, and I get the part, and I was actually this like weird sort of, you know, witchy character, and that was great. That was main part. The film was made in Poland in 2012. As far as I remember good. The name of the movie is Nawiedzona Szosa, which is Haunted Highway, and I was playing the main character of the girl who is kind of connected to the ghosts.
Oh, right.
It was a great
Wow.
part. But at the moment, why I actually came to England, because I always want to play in a period dramas, in a costume movies.
Oh, nice.
And that's what brings me here, because back home in Poland we only doing movies about the Second World War. I know important subject, but too much. I want to, you know, play in the movies when we're playing, you know, fantasy, when we have like queens, princesses, those sorts of things. That's sort of my game.
Future plans of going to any festival?
Reshooting some scenes for the TV series which is called Connected. The pitch is for Amazon in 2 weeks. So I have my channel on YouTube, it's the Actress Blog. So every single Saturday at 10 o'clock you can see me there. I'm giving sort of advice. I'm waiting for your advice.
Definitely. And do you watch the program Sex and the City?
Oh yes.
That place is actually available. Sex and Samantha's place is available. You should get in there.
Oh really? Woo.
Yeah, you
That would be
should
good.
get in there.
Maybe I can do it.
You could do it. You could do it. She's beautiful. You could definitely get in there. Anyway, listen, thank you so much. I'm going to under there. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Informative, and what a beautiful set.
And you know what is lovely? Not many times in your life, like in my life, I'm meeting a person who have the same name like me.
Evelina.
Evelina.
Oh, it's so great. Oh, it's a
that's
wee
lovely.
pleasure.
Nice. Bye.
Bye. Evelyn, then do look at the videos, let me know what you think of the videos, and please subscribe, like, share. As I keep saying, are you fed up of me saying subscribe, like, share if you want the notifications? Because I'm on YouTube and I hate when I don't get notifications for the people that I like. I like Lydia, Elise Millen, and I like a lot of vloggers like the Kilted Coaches. I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I think I prefer that more to watching the TV now. What do you think? Let me know. Bye.